try to do a test of interior and exterior noise for the new exhaust that I put on the XJ. I can't be bothered to have a fancy camera set up, so I'm just going to be using my Pixel 3 phone and the audio that's on the phone. Hopefully that's good enough. You can kind of tell there'll be a lot of wind noise in the clip, so expect that. But for the exterior, but the interior, it's not too bad. And I'll try to give you a sample of what it sounds like. The internal drone of this exhaust is not too bad. I mean, it's a little hard to talk. I don't know, some of it could be the tire noise. I put some newer Goodyears on it, but it's also, so there could be road noise, but the exhaust to me from inside doesn't sound too much of a drone. On the highway, I get it up to about 60, 65. I can start to hear a little bit more of a drone, but street surface, street speeds, 40 to 50 miles an hour, it's not too bad at all. So overall, pretty happy with it.